So it's springtime here in Ohio, and you know what that means. It is camping season, and we are ready to get the camper ready and do a good deep cleaning before we take it out in a few weeks. So come along as we start the cleaning process. So a couple things that we do to get our camper ready for camping season is, like I said, do a good deep cleaning. We are going to vacuum the floors, vacuum all the little nook and crannies. We're going to also vacuum all the cabinets, go through everything that we left in here over the winter and reorganize. Unfortunately, our refrigerator got a little bit of mold in it, so we are going to go ahead and clean the refrigerators and also vacuum all the bedding, and then wash the floors, wash the windows, and then we're going to bring all the bedding that we stored away last winter back in. All right, so come on, I got my helper, and let's get started. Woo! Okay, so here you can see I've taken the mattresses out. I usually store these in plastic bags so the mice don't get in them, and then I still got some stuff in big black trash bags that I'm going to unpack. I've got some things stored up here that I'll probably leave until our first camping trip. So we're gonna get the vacuum and let's get vacuuming.
I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
Another thing I do while I'm cleaning is just kind of inspect, make sure that I don't see any leaks after having it stored all winter. This is a 2022 Zinger. So far I don't see anything that would be concerning of any problems. So yeah, everything looks good.
It's really important that you check underneath this rug where the slide-ins are, so you are checking for rocks. That way they don't scrape your flooring and mess up the laminate.
There is one of the mattress pads that we use.
Ow!
Thinking that goes on the top bunk. Okay, and we got a stink bug that will get vacuumed up. Oh, he's still alive.
And there's another
Yuck.
one over there.
And another one. The joys of camping. Lots of bugs sometimes.
The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw.
Then took the vacuum wand and vacuumed all the cabinets. Made sure that there was no little critters in there or any dust or dirt. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and clean the windows, and this is one of my favorite parts of this camper is these big windows. When you don't have neighbors right behind you at the campground, it is so nice to just open these windows, let the sunlight in, and take in the beautiful views.
Yeah. Alright, so we can see that we got just a little bit of mold in here. Kind of left over from camping season last year. Ugh, there's a big one. We're gonna get all this out and clean it.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason why. I thought I caught your eyes, the love is blind. I thought I saw you smile.
So everything's all clean now. I cleaned it with a solution that is vinegar and Dawn dish soap. I feel like the vinegar kind of helps with the stinky fridge smell.
At the end of the camping season, I took all the bedding and all the blankets and washed them and then stored them in these fabric totes. And I also had some plastic totes that I stored things in as well. So here you can see me just unpacking everything, and if it looks like it needs washed, I washed it again. But otherwise, everything stayed really, really nice over the winter in these totes.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why I shine, you're the reason.
Okay, next I am unrolling the mattress pad that goes on our master bedroom mattress, and I always have to laugh to myself whenever I am unpacking these or packing them away. I feel like I am unrolling a body bag, and I'm wondering if my neighbors were wondering what it was as I was taking it up from our basement and putting it in the camper. Yeah, this is definitely one of my least favorite things to do, is putting these sheets on. You got to get in weird positions, and I end up hitting my head a million times, but I got it done.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by. The reason why.
Okay, so that was a struggle. Got it all done. Now just got to add the pillows, and it is all set. I do have to say that this is a very comfortable bed. I bought an extra mattress off Amazon to make the camper bed a little bit more comfortable. Then I also added a waffle mattress pad on top to add a little more cushion. Okay, so now moving on to the bunk area where the kids sleep. This top bunk is where my son sleeps. You can see that I have a little mattress topper on there because it is not very thick. So I'm going to struggle with more mattresses and get that sheet back on. And I also have these cool little clips that are actually crib sheets snaps, and they hold the sheets on very well, so that way they don't move all around when the kids are sleeping.
I thought I saw a light when you passed me by.
Okay, here's the kids' bunk area, all cleaned up. Bedding is on. Everybody's got their little individual space. And then up here, still work in progress, but so we gotta wash the dishes and put them back in. But Up in the master bedroom. We got everything all put together.
Okay, so now I am just putting everything back that I took out after I cleaned and getting all organized. That's where we keep our paper products and such, but it all is much more organized.
Okay, so it is the second day. I washed all of the dishes that we keep in these containers. We're gonna put them back up in the cabinets, and then I washed all of the doorway mats and bathroom mats and the little rug that we keep in front of the refrigerator, so that way everything's clean. I washed all the pillowcases, so I think we've got everything in the inside ready for our first camping trip. Okay, so this concludes this video. We have cleaned this camper from top to bottom, inspected everything in the inside that we needed to make sure that we are ready for our first camping trip in a few weeks. We've washed everything and set everything up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you some ideas and motivation to get ready for your camping season, and look forward to another video in a few weeks that I'll do with my husband, because he handles all the outdoor stuff, I handle the indoor stuff, about getting the camper ready on the outside to travel. So there's things that you got to check to make sure that you're safe, that your camper is maintained well. So we'll go over that in a couple weeks, and yeah, for now I'm just gonna sit in here in the camper in the peace and quiet and enjoy it, and enjoy the cleanness that we have in here right now, and just think about how excited I am to make more memories this year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to another video coming up in the next week or two, and until then, happy planning, happy camping, and we'll see you soon. Bye.